season is here, which means that ballpark food, it is back, baby. And guess what? Nobody does it like the Indians here at Progressive Field. Let me in!
I made it in the stadium and into the kitchen with executive sous chef, Chef Paul.
Mess up my hair.
First on the menu, the brand spanking new chicken sandwich from the Fat Rooster.
All right, let's fat it up, all right?
It starts with a chicken breast marinated in buttermilk and hot sauce. And then they basically dump your grandmother's entire spice cabinet onto it.
Habanero, Cajun seasoning, granulated garlic, white pepper, and Lowry seasoning, and a little bit, and flour.
Wow, you gave me the whole recipe.
I gave you everything.
That takes a dip in the fryer, then topped with honey mayo, 2 pickles, and house-made coleslaw.
Yeah. I don't hate it. I don't hate it at all. I love it. By the way, Chef Paul and I just realized that we were neighbors, so I'm gonna be coming over for dinner every night of the week now.
Okay.
While he processes that news, we're on to the next item. Short rib poutine, aka French fries covered in a lot of gravy.
If you haven't already noticed that after that first one I buttoned up just to hide the gut a little bit, I think I'm gonna need to put on a sweatshirt after this.
We got them.
Oh, and don't forget the cheese curds.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
I'm definitely gonna need that sweatshirt.
And you can't forget about the classic hot dog with sauerkraut.
I forgot how much I don't like sauerkraut.
Or no sauerkraut.
If you go home hungry from a game,
Oh,
you're not trying.
you're not doing it right.
You're not doing it right.
Eat up, Tribe fans.